How to use multimeter. A multimeter is a measurement device used to measure multiple electrical value. There are two types of multimeter, analog and digital. The main difference is their display. Analog multimeter display measurement with a needle. They move over a progressive scale. Digital multimeter have an LCD screen. Their display measurement in 4 or 5 digits. What do multimeter? Number one is measure. The multimeter impressive versatility is owed to its ability to test for the three basic units of electricity, including number one is voltage, number two and resistance, and number three and current. Port of a multimeter and function. Number one is display, the window where the electrical measurements are displayed. Number two is selection knob level. Okay, this round dial allows you to select what you want to measure, such as the type of electrical unit or continuity. Number three is probe. Okay, red and black wire are used to physically test the electrical component. Okay, for example, checking DC voltage of a battery. This step to measure volt. Number one, disconnect this battery from its housing, such as from a tool, device, or charger. Okay. Number two, turn the selector knob to VDC volt. Turn to the set knob to DC volt. Okay. Set the range for higher than the voltage of the battery you are checking. For example, if you are checking a 1.5 volt battery, set dial to range like this. Okay. Number three, inside the black probe in the common jack. The black probe in common jack. Black probe in common jack. Okay. Number four, plug the red wire into the jack labeled for DC voltage V ohm or V negative. Okay, it's like this. Okay, number five. Okay, five, the black plug and the battery negative side. Battery negative side in black. Okay. Number six, place the red probe on the battery positive side. Okay. If the reading to see if you need to replace a weak battery. If the weak battery, you can reading see if you need to replace. Okay. This measure. Okay. The measure is 1.4 volt DC. Okay. If you finish, disconnecting the red probe first. And then black probe when finished. Okay. Okay, how to repair? One, check the battery in the back side and or back cover. If battery is weak, and checking the battery. Okay, number two, check the cable probe. Maybe cable is disconnecting. Can you check?